Yeah, he's like literally the worst PLA on like one of the worst PLAs I've worked with.
Yeah, he doesn't even look sweaty. Yeah, he doesn't even look sweaty.
Yeah, I've like seen him work like barely, bro.
Did someone just rear-end me? I think I got rear-ended.
They're way ahead of them. Stupid fucking retard, man.
Ouch.
Halfway around the turn. Holy shit.
Oh.
Idiot, man.
Damn, I stopped for a reason.
Stay on Elmer Dirt. Stay on Elmer Dirt. Go this one. Stay right here, right?
Right here?
Yeah, keep going.
Should we stop for him?
No, fuck that. Fucking guy retarded, man.
Pray for someone like you.
Really standing the test of time.
Oh my God!
Name a type of cheese. Ready?
I got that on my dash
two,
cam! I got it on my dash cam!
Sorry, man.
Oh my god!
Dude.
Shit!
This was a mistake. If I should have just handed her over to Dalmar.
What the fuck?
I don't know what I expected from the girl.
To be your advocate and liaison between various healthcare providers. So I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the
Oh, what the fuck? Jesus Christ. Fucking idiot, man!
Fine young gentleman, it made for ready sport. They'd ask, did he know any songs? Do you know how to sing any songs, Master Ross?
Oh, what the? Jesus. Jesus.
Whenever they get done, but they are not to be on this roof. And by God, they what? It's crazy. And so, I shit you not, for like 3 weeks, we would be walking out for pre-practice and stuff. That dude.
There he goes. Same day delivery package right there. And there's the cops.
Dude, where are you going? You're right in the crosswalk, buddy. What are you doing? The light's still red, by the way. Where do you think you're going?